Hello cadets, how are you? Today I will going to discuss coordinate geometry. I think you have an idea about coordinate geometry. Now see, now I will write coordinate geometry. Okay. First one I will discuss the distance between 2 points. Okay. Now see, suppose P equal x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. Okay. Now we will see how to find the distance between these 2 points. Okay. Now see, here is the fourth quadrant system. Okay. Here is any line, any straight line. Sorry. Here is a straight line OM. Okay. Here is the origin and this is x O x prime. This is x axis and y O y prime. This is y axis. And the at the line OM, P is any point, suppose x1 y1, okay, and Q x2 y2. These are the 2 points. Okay. Now see how to find the distance between P and Q. Okay. Now first one, we will draw a perpendicular line PM on OX. Okay. Now here the distance of OM is x1 and the distance of PM is y1. Okay. Now similarly we draw a perpendicular line QN on OX axis. Okay. Now the distance from O to N is x2. Okay. And the distance is MN is y2. Okay. This is the coordinate. Okay. Now we again will draw a perpendicular line P to QN. Okay. That is PR. Okay. Now see, now we will find the distance between P and Q. Okay. Now we have to know the value of PR and we have to know the value of QR. Okay. Now see how it can come. Now see the distance of MN. Okay. The distance of MN, that means MN equal, we can write ON minus OM. Okay. That means x2, here is x2, that means x2 minus x1. This is the distance between MN. Similarly, the distance between QR, what will be? QR, that means we can write, that means QN minus RN. QN minus RN. Okay. Now the coordinate of Qn, that means distance of Qn is y2. We can write y2 minus, and Rn means here Rn is parallel to Pm. So we can write Pm equal Rn. Okay. That means Rn is y1. Okay. That's why we have written this. Okay. Now we have got the distance MN and QR. Okay. Now from triangle PQR, from triangle PQR, from triangle PQR by Pythagoras, we can write PQ square equal PR square plus QR square. I think you have an idea about Pythagoras. We know the square of hypotenuse is square the sum of the square of other two sides. That's why we have taken this PQ square. That means the distance of PR. Okay, the distance of PR here. Now see, PR is also parallel to MN. Okay, that's why we can write MN equal PR. Okay, the distance of PR is x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay, similarly QR, here QR y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now PQ equal root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, I think this is the required distance between 2 points. Okay, is it clear? I think you all are clear, because this is very simple, but you have to not drive the formula. Only you will use the formula. Okay, you did not drive the formula. You have to find only the formula. Okay, thank you.